Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to preview data in Power BI desktop. This includes profile, quality, and distribution. So to access the column profile, you go to transform and click transform data, and then you go to the table you're interested in. So in this table, you can view just the 1000 rows, or you can decide to view the entire data profile, the entire data. So if you see it's showing 999 plus rows, but you can extend this to the entire data set, which is what I'm just trying to show here. And switch between the two anytime you want. To preview the columns, you go to view, you select column profile, you see what pops up. So it brings up the column statistics, it brings up the value distributions. The column statistics shows you the counts, the errors, the empty rows, distinct, unique, empty string, and the mean and max. And then the value distribution shows you the top and bottom values. You can also check the column distributions. So when you click on column distribution, this pops up. It shows you the number of unique and distinct values. So when you click on column quality, this pops up. It shows you the percentage of valid data, and also if there are errors or empty values in that column. So yeah, this is just a quick video to show you how to profile your data, check the quality, the distribution, and the statistics of your data to know if you have errors, you have empty rows, or if you have distinct or unique values. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.